Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enhance your video quality in CapCut, and it is very easy to do. So the first thing we need to do is simply go ahead and open the CapCut app. So let's go and open CapCut app. Once you open the CapCut app, here you can see the auto enhance option. So simply just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you need to select video which you want. For example, I want to enhance this one. I will just select it and then tap on next. Here you can see auto enhance is in process, so we will wait some time. As you can see, the auto enhance has been applied, so you can see the before versus the after one. So you can see the video has been enhanced. So yeah, you can also enhance the quality if you want. Just simply tap on enhance quality and you can tap on AI HD, but the video must be 10 seconds at least to apply this feature. You can also stabilize it and remove flickers from the video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.